guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a new Maisto. I was almost gonna say Hot Wheels, but hold on, let me just check the name of Ferrari FFX K Maisto Costco edition. Look at this thing. Wow, it is beautiful. I got it at Costco. If you've seen that video, it's gonna be in the link description. Yeah, here is the side. Here, Maisto special edition. Here's the back. It's got nothing on there. It's the same thing on the other side. Yeah, here it is. So let's let's open this thing. So at the ends, we have to kind of switch it. I'm not sure how to open this. So, oh, we got some tape, I think. Oh, okay. Oh, hold up. We almost got it, guys. We don't need scissors at all. I think we need scissors. I'm not sure. It's like we need to pull it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh my god, I'm lost. I'm lost. We got the Ferrari. Look at that. Whoa. Holy heck. Look at the design of this thing. Oh, we got some stickers here. So what? The reason why I opened this, because you know, these will damage the paint. So look, first thing we'll do, I'll be so careful of this. So cover about this car. Yeah, it's open. Just stick it out. Perfect. Alright guys, we've got the car. Okay, if you take a look at this car, the design of this car is like really futuristic and like Formula 1 looking. You know, it's got a little bit of like a little Italian flag on it. It's got the Ferrari logo, I think. Oh my god, like these little like little mirrors are made out of like carbon fiber. They feel like it too. It's pretty nice. I like the black color of it and like a bunch of like these red stripes that go around the car. Number 5 on it. Let's open the doors. Oh, I'm not sure what to call these type of doors, but I've sort of look at that. Wow, it's kind of reminds me of like the wing doors, you know, open up. Look at the inside. It's even got like a little steering wheel too. It moves a little bit too. It's got the Ferrari logo on it. The inside is like beautiful. Even a little like carbon fiber thing there. Let's open the back. It says Ferrari on it. These little spoiler things. How did I open it before? Oh, here. Let's try to make it still. Oh, we can't make it still. But here is the car. I need to take a look at the engine too. Look at that, it's so detailed. It has the Ferrari engines at the back, a little bit of carbon fiber on it. I can't really see what the engine looks like. Oh, it's very nice. Look at it, like a little like person. You know, it's like the chest and the legs. Look at that. You can even. It's got the wiring too. And also here is the fuel pump. Let me look. Yeah, there is the little fuel pump on this car. Very nice. It's got 2 fuel pumps, I think. I already know how to open this. I already know this thing can open. Just I need to figure. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought it was a big hood. So here it is. There's like some air conditioning inside. Hold up. If you can kind of see it, look for these. You can kind of see like some fans in them inside of it. If you kind of look for the holes, yeah, there's like some fans on it. It's also got the Ferrari logo on the front, which is very nice. I really like the rims. They're very like cool. Also, the tires move. Got. Oh, guys, look at the steering wheel. Oh, that's so fucking cool. That is cool. What the heck? Hold up, can I stir it? Oh. What the heck? Hold up, bro. Hold up. Look at the tires. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Wait, remember guys, we opened this Bugatti before? What if the Bugatti can do that too? Oh, I wanna. Oh my god, that is so cool. I swear to God. What? That is cool. Like, that is cool. But yeah, guys, look at this design on the back of it. Look at everything. Like, I want to make this stay still. Like, I need something to like hold it open. Like, I need like a stick. I need some sort of stick to keep it open. I don't have anything. Let me look. Oh, hold up. Little brush. Yeah, this will probably keep it open. Yeah, let's shove it down there. try to get it open. Can hold up. Let's try something else. We're gonna have to use something. I don't know. It's not only option. Let's see if it fits and like. See, hold. Perfect. Yeah, it's a dinosaur. Okay, guys. Here's the car. Yeah. Look at this. Let's just take a final look at it. The Ferrari Ffx K. I swear to God, these Maisto cars are so cool. Like, I still love this feature. I love the steering wheel feature. That is too cool to exist. I swear. Guys, if I tell you the price for this, it's only $20. At Costco, you can buy it for $20, like $28, I think. But still, this is like worth it. Like, literally, the designs of this is perfect. The wheels literally move when you like turn the steering wheel. It's got a bunch of openings and features, and also thanks to this guy, he's holding up the nice back. But yeah, look at that. Very nice. So yeah, guys, the end of the video. Hope you liked it. You know, just want to show you this new Ferrari I got today. So yeah, check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, and a link in the description or at the end of the video. But yeah, have a good day. Bye. Garbage.